Your biggest rival just gave away their product for free. $400 million product, not on sale, completely free. That's exactly what happened to Adobe. For years, Adobe ruled the design world. If you wanted to create, you paid Adobe. But now, Canva just handed out professional design tools for $0. And people are asking one big question. Is this the beginning of the end for Adobe? People were already upset with Adobe. You pay every single month, forget one payment, and you lose access to your own work. Try to cancel? Adobe makes it hard. Hidden fees, confusing rules. Prices keep going up too. Every year, it costs more to use the same tools. Slowly, people stopped seeing Adobe as a helpful partner. They started seeing it as a landlord, one that charges rent just to use your own stuff. Designers felt stuck, trapped in a system they couldn't escape. That anger had been building for years. Then, Canva made its move. Canva owns a design tool called Affinity. It works a lot like Photoshop and Illustrator. For years, people already loved Affinity. You paid once and owned it forever. No monthly bills. But now, Canva did something bigger. They made Affinity completely free. No payment, no trial, no catch. Every tool, every feature, free forever. For thousands of designers who were already tired of Adobe, this was the final push they needed. The wall between them and leaving Adobe just disappeared. This is the part that really hurts Adobe. Think about students, beginners, people just learning design. Before, they had two choices: pay Adobe every month, or learn on a cheaper, weaker tool. Now there's a third choice. Learn on real, professional software. For free. Why would a student pay Adobe just to practice? Why would a freelancer just starting out pay monthly fees when free tools do the job? Adobe used to be the door into the design world. Now that door doesn't need a key. That's a real problem for Adobe's future. So why would Canva give away something this valuable? Because Canva isn't really selling software. Canva is building a home. By giving away Affinity for free, Canva pulls in millions of serious designers, people who might never have used Canva before. Once they're inside, Canva doesn't need to charge for the basic tools. Instead, they make money other ways: team plans, cloud storage, extra AI features. It's like a store that gives away the front door for free, then sells everything inside. Canva isn't losing money here. They're playing a longer game. Now, let's be honest. This won't destroy Adobe overnight. Big companies still run on Adobe's file types, like PSD and AI files. Whole teams and workflows are built around them. Switching software at a huge company takes time. It's not that simple. So Adobe's biggest clients aren't leaving anytime soon. But here's the real threat. Affinity is winning over the next generation. Students, freelancers, small studios. These are the same people who grow up to run bigger companies later. Adobe isn't losing today's giants. It's losing tomorrow's. So what does this really mean? It means no company is safe from competition. Not even a giant like Adobe. For years, high prices seemed normal. Now, creators have real, free options. Whether people fully switch or not, one thing is already true. Companies can't overcharge forever and expect no pushback. This is bigger than just software. It's a reminder. When you treat customers badly, someone else is always ready to treat them better.